Hello people, it's Nana Ama Akumah again. Welcome to Ama's Corner. Today I'm going to show you one of Ghana's favorite drink, Sobolo. Normally I call it so big. Ama's Corner would like to urge you guys to always wash your hands with soap, use your hand sanitizers, and stay safe. Thank you. The ingredients that I'm going to use for my Sobolo today, I have hibiscus dry flowers, fresh mint, fresh ginger, 2 pineapples, and white sugar. This is all that I need for my Sobolo today. I'm going to start by cutting my pineapple. I'm going to peel off the skin so that we can put it into our saucepan. Then we blend up the food. The reason why I'm using the pineapple is just to give it a flavor. So I'm going to put the skin into the saucepan. Remember, it's being washed. You have to make sure you wash it before cutting them. So it goes into the saucepan, and this goes into the blender. I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces, then we blend everything. So now, as you can see, we have the pineapple skin in the saucepan and the food in the blender. So we're going to blend up, then we're going to mix it up with our Sobolo before draining it. I'm going to cut my ginger into 2. It's been washed, and chop them into medium sizes with the skin. Some people take the skin off, blend up the ginger, then add it to it, but I prefer cooking everything together. So this goes into the saucepan as well. I'm going to add it to the saucepan. Now I'm adding my fresh mint into it. Then we add our hibiscus dry flour to it. I'm going to measure 1.5 cups. So 1 cup and half. Now I'm going to add water to it. So I'm going to use this much, then I put it on fire for about 15 minutes and my Sobolo will be ready. Now my Sobolo is on fire. I'm going to blend my pineapple, then we make some sugar syrup for the Sobolo. Yep. It's on. Okay, and bingo, it's done. I'm going to do my sugar syrup. I'm going to measure 1.5 cups of white sugar, then I'll add 2 cups of water to it. You can put it on fire, but I'm not going to put it on fire. I'm just going to mix it till it dissolves. Okay, so 1 cup and half cup. I'm going to mix it till it dissolves. As I said earlier, you can put it on fire to boil so that you can get your syrup, but I'm going to mix it up so that the sugar will dissolve by itself. Ooh la la! You can see for yourself. My Sobolo It's ready. Now my sobolo is ready. I'm going to take it off from the fire. Then we're going to drain it with our drainer into my wooden bowl. But before that, I'm going to mix the blended pineapple into my sobolo. You have to be careful so that you don't burn yourself. At this point, I'm going to add my sugar syrup. I'm going to add my sugar syrup. Then you mix it up properly. So I'm going to taste it. If I need more sugar, I'm going to add more sugar to it. Yay! Finally, Ghana Sobolo is done. You have to put it in the fridge, but first you need to wait for it to cool down before you can add your ice, or you can put it in the fridge for it to be chilled before you can drink it. Thank you for watching Ama's Corner today. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for always commenting on our videos, and thank you for liking our videos. Thanks to Fofofo Market for always supporting Ama's Corner. We are very, very grateful. At this point, I'm going to taste my sobolo. 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 You can see my eyes are in already. Ooh. I hope you try this at home. You'll love it. It's Ghana's favorite. It's my favorite as well. I need to get my straw. And just a little bit of the pineapple and the mint on its side. Oops. There we go. And my sobolo, it's ready. Oh, Jesus. Try this, you will love it. I'll see you next time. Bye. Very chilled. I love it.